Today, I'll be teaching you how to play Rivers and Roads by The Head and the Heart. It's not too difficult of a song. It literally consists of 3 chords. The strumming pattern and the changing between the chords might get a little difficult for any of those newbies out there, but I'm sure you'll do it with practice. That's how everybody gets anywhere, with practice. Alright, so the first chord you're going to need is your C chord. So you're going to want one finger right on this chord, right on this string, right there, and then one here, and one, so we make their C. Just strum all those together, and you got your C, baby. Alright, next chord you're going to need is the A minor. The A minor, very tricky, very difficult, the hardest chord in the world. You're literally going to put the same first finger you put here for the C stays exactly in the same position. Second finger, you know where you put your second finger for the C? Yeah, keep it there. Better not move it. The third finger, that one, the only thing that's changed, it goes on the same fret, but it's the string right below your middle finger. Pop. Ooh. Now that's a great chord. Alright. Third and final chord you're going to need is your F. Now your F is probably the most difficult chord in this song, so just be prepared. You're going to take this, this one, how it's been here the whole entire time? Well, you're just going to want to bar it, or you can do it without the bar, and not even if you're a complete nub. Just keep it there, don't even move it. But if you want to go to that next level, just bar the bottom two. See how I'm pressing down on both of them? Exactly like that. Now, remember how the C, how it was one finger here and one finger there? You're just going to want to move those down and then have your bar. And you got your C. I mean F. You got your F. Alright, now, here comes the difficult part. Putting them all together. Alright, you want to start with the C. Super easy. Oh, strumming pattern, by the way. Strumming pattern, down, up, 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 down, the whole entire time. Don't even change the strumming pattern, no fancy picking. Alright. Alright, it goes from C to A minor to F. And then sometimes it goes back to A minor, but then it always goes back to C. So, I'll show you how it pretty much goes, how it does go the whole entire time. Except for a few exceptions where it changes a little bit. But it starts the song just doing down, up, 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 and then it starts the song, and it goes, a year from now we'll all, right there you change, all be gone, and you go back to your C. So it goes, a year from now we'll all be gone, and it keeps singing like that, pretty much. Yeah, so a year from now we'll all be gone, all our friends move back to A minor, will go away. I probably have to look up the lyrics. A year from now we'll all be gone, our friends will be gone away. Will be gone away. Yeah. A year from now, we'll all be gone. All our friends will be gone away. Alright, whole thing together. A year from now, we'll all be gone. All our friends will be gone away. That's it. That's it. That's it. Alright, and it just goes throughout the whole song. And then there'll be, after the first two verses, it goes to this oh, 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 when it does the little O's things. So when it goes oh, literally the same exact thing. Probably didn't need to be like, oh, there's O's there, but it's the same thing. And then after the O's, it just goes back to the thing when it goes, we're talking about the way things change, and it hits that high note. And it goes, my family lives in a different state. Easy, it's just ba-da, 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 ba-da. Rewind. Ba-da, ba-da, ba-da. Talking about, see, the way things change. Back to C. And my family lives in a different state. Family, C, lives, A minor, in C, A minor. My family lives in a different state. My family, C, lives, A minor, in a different, that's where the F comes in, state. Back to the C, and it just goes, the whole song is just those three chords in that same exact progression the whole entire time. Super simple, nothing too hard. At the end, no, it's the same. It's the same at the end. Then two people pop in and they're like, ah, with the girl, and he's like, oh, with the guy. It's pretty magical. You should listen to the song. But you've probably already heard the song if you're watching the video to learn how to play this. You know what? Never mind. That's been the song Rivers and Roads. I hope you have enjoyed my little song video. It's nothing too special. It's just me and a guitar playing music with you. That's enough of that.